Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a wheel twirl effect easy in After Effects. First of all, we will need to stabilize the video in the center. It's very important, otherwise this effect will look so messed up. In my case my video is already stabilized. As you see it's locked on in the center, and now let me show you how it's done. Make sure you are at the very beginning of your clip and then click on Stabilize Motion. Make track point slightly bigger, then move it on well contrasted spot. Let's click on Options now, make sure Luminance is selected and then check Adapt feature on every frame and hit OK. Now click on Tracking Forward button and wait until Analyzing is done. As the Analyzing is done, click on Apply and then hit OK. Now close Tracking window and go back to your main composition. Make sure to enable Proportional Grid. This will help us to find the very center of the screen. Press S on your keyboard now and slightly scale the video to fix black edges. Now let's move the wheel to the center of the screen. As you see, the wheel is locked on in the center and it looks awesome. Right-click on your clip now and pre-compose it. Rename it to whatever you want and then make sure Move All Attributes and Adjust Composition Duration is selected and then hit OK. We can disable Proportional Grid and then duplicate the video, and I will rename Duplicated 1 to Wheel. Now we have to mask out the wheel. To mask I will use Mocha AE. In Mocha select an elliptical tool and mask the wheel as smooth as possible. Once you are done, enable perspective and hit on Tracking button. As the tracking is done, click on Save and then close Mocha AE. Expand Matte now and click on Create AE Masks. Now apply Twirl effect on wheel layer. All we have to do now is to animate the angle values, but it looks all messed up, cause the twirl radius is too high. Make sure to decrease the radius, in my case I will change it to 15. Now make sure you are at the beginning of the video and then click on Angle Stopwatch icon. Then scroll to the very end of your clip and change angle until you will be happy with it. Let's quickly check it. Twirl effect is done. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.